You are doing a business. Assume that. Assume that you are doing a business. If your business depends on you, okay, if my business depends on me, then can I tell a business owner? Or can I tell an employee of this business?
Right.
An employee. Because I have to work, then only this business is going to run. Means I am an employee of my company. I am an employee of my company. I have one job. Beyond that, nothing. Array business means without you, that business has to run. Remember that. I created a business, but there everything I'm doing means, again, what you are doing employee job only. Again, what everything I'm doing means, what is the need of going for the business? Better to join in a company as an employee. Like here, the two stupidness is, if you are doing everything yourself in your company, you are an employee first. You are an employee. You are doing the job. You are an employee. Second thing is, you are working under the mental person. You are working under crazy person. ఒక పిచ్చోడి కింద మనం పనిచేస్తున్నట్టు. హౌ సార్? Who is the owner of that company? Who is the owner of that company? Yourself only. If you are the owner, in that you are doing the job means, ఎవడన్నా పిచ్చోడు వాడికి ఒక జాబ్ ఇచ్చుకోవడానికి ఎవరైనా కంపెనీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాడా? Anyone is going to start the company to give the job to himself? He has to recruit the people. The people are responsible to do the job, man. Okay? So this is the bigger thing, man. You are doing. Yes, if your business depends on you, then you don't own a business. You don't own a business. You have a job. If you stop working for 1 week, will your business run? If you stop working for 1 week, is your business run? If the answer is no, it can't run, means simple question. Are you owner or are you employee of your own business? Are you owner or you are an employee of your own business? Remember this one. So means obviously we became an employee. That's why starting the business, doing everything yourself, the too stupid kind of thing. Sir, this terminology not only applicable for business owner, applicable for your personal life also. Being an employee also, these concepts are applicable. That's why listen carefully. So everyone in the position to understand? Yes, friends. Everyone in the position to understand this point?
Yes.
So if I'm starting a business means, am I responsible to do everything in my company?
No, sir.
If I'm doing everything in my company, then I'm not business owner, just I'm an employee of that company. Remember, then there is no growth. Just you are working under a stupid mental person. You are working under a stupid mental crazy person. Crazy person. The reason for that is, you are the owner, you are an employee. You yourself is the boss of you. Too worst. That's why delegate. You are responsible for higher level activities. Without you, observe very carefully, without you, the business has to run smoothly. Without you, the business should run smoothly. Without yourself. That's the most important thing. You should have clear clarity, friends. Okay? From all these things I'm telling again and again. Don't do everything yourself. Better to start a delegation. Delegation like, if you can do delegate like, our life, our growth is going to be started. That is the main mantra you people should require to remember. Okay?